नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आज के वीडियो में। आई एम सुपर से ऊपर एक्साइटेड। व्हाट अप शिल्पा शेट्टी रेफरेंस, इफ यू नो यू नो। बट या आज के वीडियो में मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज मेरे पास कुछ अमेजिंग इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स हैं विच ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टू ट्राई विथ यू। लाइक यू आर माई बडी, आपके बिना तो क्या ही है। बिकॉज ये प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी वायरल हो चुके हैं अपने अपने एराज में, एंड एवरीबडी एंड देयर मदर्स एंड देयर सिस्टर्स एंड देयर ब्रदर्स एंड देयर फादर्स हैव स्पोकन अबाउट इट, सिवाय मेरे। So obviously I have to take this moment and talk about these products. So yes, I am super excited to try these viral products. So yes, without any further ado, if you are interested too in finding out whether or not these things really work, please keep on watching. Let's go. Wow. Okay, to start off with my hair, because I mean as you can clearly see, मैंने पिछले 4 दिनों से बाल नहीं धोए और इसमें से 3 दिन मैं जिम गई थी, या चौथे दिन में नहीं जा पाई बिकॉज कंसिस्टेंसी प्रॉब्लम है, पता है आपको। सो दिस इज हाउ माई हेयर इज लुकिंग। आई मीन इट्स या ऑलराइट। नाउ वन ऑन द लिस्ट वी हैव इज tada! ऑब्वियसली आपने इस चीज को देखा है, इस आइटम को, इस नमूने को, इसको आपने देखा है। इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट दिस माय फ्रेंड इज द BG Bed Head Hair Wax. Okay, my vision for this hairdo, if I may, is to go for like a sleek bun, like an oily, dirty but sleek, you know, that kind of bun. उसके लिए मेरे पास सामग्रियाँ भी है because who am I? I'm mature. तो obviously I have a comb and I have a crusty hair tie which belongs to the 2000s, but it's in my bag. This is the only thing I could find right now. This is the best middle partition I can do, so this is what we are doing. And yeah, I'm just gonna tie a bun, guys. It's not rocket science. If it was, I wouldn't be doing it. Okay, not bad. I mean, this is as good as it's gonna get. Although right now I look like Big Boss के घर से, पता है जो मध्य रात्रि झगड़ा करने के बाद बेघर होते हैं, मैं कुछ वैसे लग रही हूँ, but I think this is the best we can do. I think for the sake of humanity, I have switched to a pony instead of a bun because that bun was embarrassing. It feels wrong. I don't know if you know. Wow, there is a definite difference between this side being like super sleek and this side not so sleek. Wow, feels good, guys. I mean, it's not feeling like hairspray, but it still feels very secure. Like मेरे बाल मेरे सिर से चिपक गए हैं in like a good way. You know what? I'm gonna like fix this too. That was easy, bro. That was easy. I like this. I definitely like this. Now I feel like मेरे आधे किलो के बाल पाव किलो के हो गए, but it's a vibe, it's a look. So definitely approve this. I can see why this could be somebody's purse essential, but yeah, I definitely like this and it's definitely worth the hype. Next up on the list we have is the Mars Full Coverage Foundation. Oh my god, the internet was taken away with this foundation. इस सब कोई इसके पैकेजिंग, इसके कवरेज, just this product, this brand in general के बारे में बात कर रहा था, तो obviously I had to take this moment and get me this. So I'm in the shade 04. I believe they have about 6 shades, which is not the best. They definitely can do better. It's heavy, like it's glass. I'm not sure if this is travel friendly. Now everybody was like, oh my god, the cap is so luxurious. नहीं, मुझे बहुत चिंदी and cheap लग रहा है. Like I don't find this luxurious. I find it very chindi. But frosted glass look, definitely very elite. I just wish the cap was not this. Like I don't know, not a big fan. But I have also seen this कि जो भी आपका foundation shade है उस color का आपको cap मिल रहा है. So not all foundations will have the same cap, you know. If you're a lighter color, you will have more lighter colored cap. So that was pretty interesting. Now I know you guys love to get the insights of how to prep your skin before doing makeup. So this is what I usually do. I start off with a toner. It is very important to hydrate yourself and your skin, duh. I'm gonna go ahead and use this baby right here, My Glam Iridescent Brightening Moisturizing Cream. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize. radiant and glow from within my skin is looking, I mean, love it. Let's get a good shaky shake. Shade is a little darker but can do. Now this is how I like to wear my foundations. I like to place it everywhere on my face, and then I like to go ahead and use my Real Techniques brush. Oh wow, this is blending very easily. Are you kidding me? Guys, is today a really good day because look at the coverage. It feels and looks like a glass skin. I am really shocked and impressed. From whatever I can see from this distance in my monitor, it's looking beautiful. I want to still look in the mirror. Even in my mirror it's looking nice. I don't know why I thought in the mirror it's going to be like it's cracking, it's fading, it's just not looking the best. But I honestly feel this is a beautiful dupe for the Maybelline Lumi foundation. I don't own it, but whatever reviews I've seen and heard, this is like half the price of it. Oily skin, I'm not sure if you would really enjoy this. However, in terms of coverage, it's a beautiful medium to full coverage. Absolutely love it. Now that we're done with the foundation, let's talk about concealer, baby. And this concealer, everybody, even my mother has spoken about this, used it, loved it, but somehow I never got to trying it. So this time I got me the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer. Oh my god, this packaging is like a nightmare to open. Like I broke a nail, but not this packaging. Like why? You know what? मैंने बहुत तारक मेहता देखा है to know अगर problem है तो solution भी. So easy, so freaking easy. Wow, this is a good shade. Oh wow, wow. I like the doe foot applicator. I like what I'm doing underneath my eyes. And I definitely like the shade. I did a good job. Guess what? This is blending as effortlessly as the foundation. Wow. Wow. It's definitely a full coverage concealer that is beautiful for everyday wear because it blends so beautifully and it's so lightweight. Wow. Now I'm going to quickly finish my base and I will be back for the next product. Alright you guys, I am back with my full face of makeup. I'm really loving my base and just my makeup overall, how it's turned. I'm really enjoying it. With that being said, I know it's very difficult to take me seriously right now, so let's go ahead and talk about the next product. As you can see, it is beautiful pairs of lashes. Now these are not just any ordinary falsies. These, you guys, are magnetic liner and eyelashes. Now initially I was going for those individual magnetic lashes, however I got this. I did like a crazy haul video. If you want to check out, then I will leave a link up here, and in the description is how everything looks like. I am super excited. You get not one or two but 3 eyelashes along with the magnetic liner, which clearly this kind of bold look definitely needs a liner. And you also get this. Now let's talk about my skill set when it comes to falsies. I'm not saying I'm like a noob, but I'm definitely not an expert. I'm better than a noob but terrible than an expert. I think I'll stick to these ones. Can you see there's a magnetic strip on this? So that's how it's able to stick to it very easy. Now can you see there's a magnetic strip on the lash, which is what is really gonna help this stick with the magnetic liner, which I hope it's easy to put. Oh, thank God, it's a brush applicator. This is how it looks. Wow, I've got you guys like really like in my face right now, which is beautiful. So I'm going to do a voiceover for this particular part. I'm just going to go ahead and line with the magnetic liner. It was a little gooey, but it was still doable. And I gave it about like 5 seconds. And as you can see, it instantly snapped to the liner. It did not take me any struggling moment whatsoever. And yeah, I'm just making sure. I tried to use this device, but I just couldn't. So all I did was to use the back of the device just to push the liner and the lash band together, and it was easy. I was like shocked, honestly. Like, why was this so easy and why didn't I do this before? Oh my god, can you see the difference? Okay. Okay, you guys, I've taken a hot minute to process everything that just happened and how I feel about it. And very honestly, I thought this is a very gimmicky product. Especially Amazon outside, overseas, those products feel legit. But Amazon India, मुझे बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं है. But I have to say, these actually work. These are beautiful. They snapped on very easily. You do get enough room to work with the liner. However, the liner is a little thicker, तो थोड़ा उसको लगाने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो सकती है. But at the same time, you don't have to be perfect with it, because the lash band is so thin that it just like sticks to it and it just covers very beautifully. Now I am someone who has, I don't want to say sensitive eyes. I hate when people are like, oh, my eyes are very sensitive. Like, patthar ke bane hain. Like, obviously it's eyes. It's obviously going to be sensitive. But I feel like definitely I do have one of those watery eye situation. With this, I did still get teary eyes, but it wasn't bad. It was very manageable and doable, and honestly, I love the style, I love the whole vibe. And generally क्या होता है, जब मैं normal falsies लगाती हूँ and I go and use my mascara, वो mascara के wand के साथ मेरा lash निकल आता है. Trust me, it happens to the best of us, don't lie. With this it did not happen, so I'm impressed. Oh my god, मैंने literally falsies 1-1.5 साल के बाद पहने हैं, and I think I'm gonna be back with more falsies, because I really like how it's looking, like really like it. With that being said, without lipstick, I look like a dead meat. So let's put on the most viral lipstick. This is the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick. I have heard so much about this lipstick online, but also offline. I have gone to so many parties with my girlfriends, and someone is like, oh, your lipstick is so long lasting, why is it that it's still on your lips even after all of the drinks and food? What is it? And they've always said this is the one that you're using. I went ahead with the most viral shade. This is called Mood. So let's put this on. I have absolutely nothing on my lips, so yeah, of course I'm gonna do that. First of all, I love the smell of this, and second of all, it was so easy to put on, and the shade is gorgeous. It is beautiful. And yeah, this is how it is looking on me. You know what, I honestly like it. I like how it feels. It's very light, and I had like chapped lips. मैंने सुबह उठने के बाद lip balm वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगाया था, just to see if it sticks to my dry patches or gets settled into my lips. None of that. Like,
one eternity later.
You guys, just to see how good of a lipstick this is, I just finished having my breakfast, and as you can see, it's still very intact, and I love the finish on this. It has that really beautiful glossy finish, and it is still there even after my meal, which is awesome. So not only am I in love with the shade, but definitely also the formula. This is definitely a must-have in your collection. With that being said, let's move on to the last product that I haven't seen a lot of people, very honestly, but it's just a very intriguing, interesting product, so I thought I should bring it along. And it's, you guys, from the house of Vaseline. And what is intriguing about this, you guys, is a serum in lotion for your body, and this has also got SPF 30 PA++, and this is also supposed to be like a non-sticky yet matte formula. So let's put this on. Wow, okay. Oh, but it does blend. Oh my god, that was super easy. I mean, if you are someone like me who initially used to hate body lotion, now I love to slather myself in like body oils. I'm at that stage, but to get to that was a journey, and something like this would have definitely helped me. Oh wow, it has a nice Vaseline type smell to it as well. It's like sucked into my skin. Wow. I am really impressed with this one as well. I think you should definitely give this a try. Your kids would love this, or anybody in your family that is not a big fan of sunscreen, especially for their body. get this. I'm pretty sure they're gonna love this. And yeah, well you guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and please guys subscribe kar lo. Fukat hai, fukat. Ekdam free. So please take this moment and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.